You're listening to the Cyberwire Network, powered by N2K.
The word is taint analysis. Spelled T as in tarnish, A as in adulterate, I as in infect, N as in nasty, T as in trace, and analysis for study. Definition: the process of software engineers checking for the flow of user input in application code to determine if unanticipated input can affect program execution in malicious ways. Example sentence: taint analysis is a useful technique for a security audit for an application's attack surface. Origin and context. All user input can be dangerous if it's not properly checked. Think buffer overflows and SQL injection. Taint analysis, a static source code review technique, identifies all user data elements and follows them through the application to make sure they get sanitized before the programmer does anything with them. On the hacker side, with a technique called fuzzing, researchers throw random input at applications to see if they can get them to crash. If they can, that input mechanism and the functions that support it are places the hacker can focus to find vulnerabilities for future exploitation. Taint analysis helps reduce the probability that fuzzing will work and hacking techniques like buffer overflow and SQL injection are neutralized. Nerd reference. According to David Kalat at law.com, Elias Levy, co-founder of the company Security Focus, published the famous paper Smashing the Stack for Fun and Profit in 1996 under his hacker name Aleph1. The paper was a recipe for how to create buffer overflow situations in code. The United States Air Force had identified the potential for buffer overflow attacks as far back as 1972, but it wasn't until Smashing the Stack came out that the hacker community adopted the buffer overflow technique as a standard tool in their utility belt.